we can see that Lexus is a company that manufactures large turbines, transformers, etc., which they use in power stations for their clients. And also, the main objective of Lexus is to establish quality standards that ensures lower rate of defects in order to minimize the production expenses of the company.
Sigma approach are disadvantage. The company employs around 12,000 people. In this case, they can't minimize the production expenses of the company.
The interesting of Six Sigma approach based on the case study in Loxius Power Plant is a large electrical manufacturers based in northern part of India and is one of the India's leading public sector companies.
According of the case study, an electrical manufacturing company has a Lexus power plant is a large electrical manufacturer. The company employs around 12,000 people and is one of India's leading public sector companies.
The MAIC, disadvantage or minus. The power plant gives them limitation to make sure lower rate of defects in order to minimize the production expenses of the company.
You can see the case study that the Lexus Power Plant has a large electrical manufacturing, but the power plant is to establish quality standards that ensure lower rates of defects to minimize the product's expenses of the company. They give them limits to make sure that the lower rates will not affect.
My decision is I think the best thing to do is that they need to cut off some on the 12,000 people that they employ to the company because less employees, less chances of rate of defects, and also to achieve their main objectives. And for me, that is the quickest way to minimize the production expenses of the company.
The suggestions that I came up for the Lexus power plant is that they enhance their tool or equipment for completing their tasks because not every part of the country has contemporary and upgraded equipment or signals.
In my own opinion, they need to give another strategy to defend the lower rate of defects, not to give limits to make sure that the company will minimize the product expenses. The company, especially the Lexus Power Plant, has a large electrical manufacturer.